My name is Taylor Clark, and I'd like to introduce to you my Project Connect concept. Recently, I've been challenged to demonstrate my commitment to being my best self. When it comes to the body-soul-mind connection, healthy living is my weak spot. Developing the habit of going to the gym regularly was easy. Coming from a long line of great chefs, incorporating healthy living into my lifestyle has been a difficult challenge. In a world filled with fast food, fabulous pastas, rich decadent sauces, cheeses, and chocolate, why eat salad? Well, for all my fellow gluttons, you know who you are, learning to eat healthy is not only smart, but can actually be delicious. For those who don't know where to begin when it comes to making healthier food choices, or for those already making healthy choices who could use a collection of new food ideas, I decided to start with my J.H. Rose family and ask people to share their favorite healthy recipe. I will compile and test the recipes and share them in an electronic cookbook with photos of the contributors and finished projects and share the link. This physical project will allow me to marry my goal of becoming more fit with my love of graphic arts to present a cookbook that is visually appealing as well as appealing to the taste buds. For my research paper, I will examine the impact of electronic publishing. There are two schools of thought on this issue. Those on the evolution bandwagon posit that over time, print publication of books will go the way of the record players, landline phones, and typewriters. While many will cherish their books collections, print books will become vintage items that are no longer produced and will be unrecognizable by future generations. The other side of this argument is that books are steeped in tradition and a piece of culture that parents will continue to pass down to their children, continuing the rituals of bedtime stories, libraries, and bookstore visits. Books will continue to sit on the shelves and be treasured by a society that loves to possess things. My paper will examine the impact that electronic publishing has had on print publications and examine attitudes about the future of both forms of communication. By publishing the book in an electronic format, contributors will have easy access to a collection of healthy recipes as well as the opportunity to share the link with others to show off their own recipe. The project may not make any of my Rose family forget double-stuffed Oreos, but it may make them try a healthy choice as well.